These days, there is talk in astronomical circles about the potential collision of an asteroid with Earth, but all astronomers and space scientists believe that the likelihood of such a collision is very low, around 2.1%. NASA estimates that the chance of impact will occur on December 22, 2032. However, this probability may change in the coming months as scientists strive to study the asteroid's trajectory more accurately through advanced telescopes, including the James Webb Space Telescope. Before delving into the topic of this asteroid's collision with Earth, it's worth mentioning an interesting point. Some simulations have shown that there is also a chance of asteroid 2024 YR4 colliding with the Moon, albeit with a probability of 1 in 333. If that were to happen, a bright but harmless explosion would occur on the Moon's surface, which would be visible from Earth. David Rankin, a NASA engineer, has drawn a danger zone based on the current trajectory of the asteroid. If this asteroid were to actually collide with Earth in 2032, it would need to land in a narrow band that travels from northern South America through the Pacific Ocean towards the southern deserts and into Asia. This band includes countries such as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Sudan, Nigeria, Venezuela, Colombia, and Ecuador. Worryingly, this path also covers densely populated areas like Chennai in India and Hainan Island in China. With a diameter of approximately 90 meters, asteroid 2024 YR4 could cause devastating damage to any residential area along the specified belt. If it were to collide, experts predict it could release an explosion equivalent to 8 megatons of TNT, over 500 times the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Currently, 2024 YR4 is the only large asteroid with an impact probability estimated to be over 1%, which is why it has been given the rare rating of 3 on the Turin scale, a scale for measuring the risk level of asteroids. The only other celestial body that has received a score of 3 or higher on the scale in the history of astronomy is asteroid 99942 Apophis, nicknamed the God of Chaos. Accurate prediction of the likelihood of an asteroid collision with Earth in 2030 is a very complex and challenging task. To understand the probability of an asteroid colliding with Earth, precise specifications of the asteroid in question and its trajectory must be obtained. Calculating the likelihood of an asteroid hitting Earth requires knowledge of various factors, including the asteroid's size, its trajectory, speed, mass, the characteristics of Earth's atmosphere, and so on, which may not always be available. Additionally, many precautions are taken by space agencies and relevant organizations to predict and prevent asteroid collisions with Earth. Organizations like NASA are constantly working to observe asteroids and predict their paths so that, if a potential impact exists, necessary preventive actions can be undertaken. Thus, without accurate information and complete specifications of the asteroid and other conditions, determining the likelihood of an asteroid colliding with Earth in 2030 is entirely ambiguous and impossible. Asteroid deflection is one of the proposed methods for managing the risk of asteroid impacts. This method is often referred to as planetary defense. Below, I will detail some methods for altering the trajectories of asteroids. 1. Send space missions. Sending space missions to asteroids for more precise recognition and examination of them. Sending missions that can approach asteroids and alter their trajectories. 2. Changing asteroid speed. Utilizing gravitational effects to change the speed of asteroids and thereby alter their paths. Using space missions to send devices that can exert a force to change the speed of an asteroid. 3. Use of explosions. Nuclear or other explosions on asteroids to alter their trajectories. This method may be used to reduce collision risk, but it requires a lot of precision and coordination. 4. Use of advanced technologies. Utilizing modern technologies such as sending lasers or other technologies to change the course of asteroids. Employing advanced methods like light navigation to redirect asteroids. These methods are just some of the proposed ways to alter the paths of asteroids to prevent collisions with Earth. Each of these methods requires careful planning, coordination among international space agencies, and the use of advanced technologies. Finally, it was determined that such an event will not occur, and this asteroid will pass about 32,000 kilometers from Earth on April 13, 2029.